Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out my video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar had a big push up at the interest rate news today. Nice clear break of structure. With a move like this, I mean, it's pretty obvious that this is most likely an ABC correction. I think that wave 3 scenario that I've been talking about for months on the weekly and monthly time frame is pretty well confirmed, probably, which means that I am pretty much going to be spending probably the next several weeks to several months looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially on the shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. I personally wouldn't even try to go short here, and I definitely wouldn't even try to go long. And really, the strategy right now is to be holding on to a long and looking for an exit. I would actually have to see like a breaker starts it to the downside on like the 5 minute time frame, and then I would have to see a proper three-way pullback, maybe on like the 15 to 1 hour time frame, maybe something like this, before I would even consider taking a long. And it may not even make a proper pullback right now. It is always a chance it just keeps on drifting up more. So, really, like I said, the only strategy is to be patiently waiting for a proper pullback or to be looking for an exit of a trade that you're already in to the long side. I definitely wouldn't short it, definitely wouldn't go long without seeing a proper pullback to go long for the continuation of what is most likely a wave 3 on the much, much longer time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel.